Have you noticed the recent surge in gaming console prices? You're not alone, and it's about to change how you play. In May 2025, Microsoft announced global price hikes for Xbox consoles, shaking the gaming world. The new price for Xbox Series S starts at $379.99, an $80 increase from its 2020 debut. The more powerful Xbox Series X will now set you back $599.99, a $100 jump from its previous price. Why are these increases happening? Microsoft cites challenging market conditions and rising development costs. While they didn't specifically mention tariffs, these levies are a significant factor in this turbulent time. This price adjustment isn't isolated to Xbox. Other major players in the gaming industry are also feeling the pressure. Sony raised prices for PlayStation 5 consoles in Europe and Australia, citing high inflation and fluctuating exchange rates. Nintendo, too, is adjusting prices, but maintains the Switch 2's baseline price at $449.99, despite the original Switch's much lower price. What does this mean for you, the gamer? Your favorite accessories like wireless controllers and headsets are also seeing price increases, particularly in the US and Canada. Furthermore, expect new first-party games to debut at higher prices this holiday season, around $79.99. These price hikes are a response to ongoing tariffs implemented by former President Trump, resulting in retaliation from countries like China. Economists warn that these steeper levies will impact the prices of various consumer goods relying on the global supply chain, especially electronics. Despite these changes, Microsoft recently shared an impressive earnings report. They earned $70.07 billion in revenue, with $25.8 billion in net income for Q1 2025. However, the full impact of tariff changes might take longer to assess. So, what's the takeaway? The gaming landscape is rapidly evolving, and as prices rise, gamers may need to reconsider their spending. Stay informed, stay engaged, and navigate these changes with confidence. What do you think about the price hikes? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe Future Mind AI Trends for more insights into the gaming world, and stay ahead of the curve.